As the NFT economy grew, so did the development of some fantastic tools. These tools keep investors, producers, and collectors informed. Welcome to NFT Guy, and in this video, we'll see the best NFT tools that every creator and collector must use. Starting off at number 10, Rarity Tools. Rarity Tools is a must-have in the toolkit of any serious NFT collectors. Users can rank the rarity of NFTs within a collection and compare their qualities and properties using the website. The rarity score is the most important metric to check for on Rarity Tools. This is the total of all the different features and traits that make up an NFT. This image allows you to easily compare two very different NFTs, even if they come from separate collections. For a cost of 2 ETH, creators can have their project listed on RARITY.tools. While this may appear to be an expensive investment at first, being one of the go-to websites for NFT research implies that generative initiatives featured on this site will receive a lot more attention in the long run. Number 9. ONCYBER. ONCYBER provides art with a virtual reality experience. It essentially functions as a virtual gallery where you can display your artworks and collections. It allows the spectator to zoom in and see details of each art piece, such as title and description. Thanks to gorgeous gallery setups and permitting varied sizes for your artwork. To participate in this platform, you must first create a MetaMask wallet and connect it to the website. This takes simply 2 clicks and you're in. Following that, you can select the configuration that best represents your perfect gallery. Finally, distribute your link to the community via their Discord channel. On ONCYBER, you can also share a 360-degree experience with other artists in the same location. This might increase the visibility of your work as well as the work of other artists sharing the same place. Number 8. NFT Stats. The website NFT Stats is another useful resource. The site is one of the first stops for NFT investors who want to know what people are buying and what isn't. The rating list is the most useful aspect of the tool. These ever-changing ranking displays the most popular NFT collections or individual sales at a time. This allows collectors to rapidly find new projects and learn which NFTs are currently causing a stir. For individuals who require a longer-term view, the lists can be altered to include the most popular collections from the previous week or month. Number 7. BRAITSNIPER. BRAITSNIPER is a highly thorough website that provides up-to-date information on new and upcoming NFT collections. The platform employs algorithms to determine the rarity of NFT collections and tokens, as well as bots to scour the web for more information. The site's design can be a little intimidating for those new to the NFT area, with a lot of data offered. Collectors can examine everything from a collection's current floor price, supply, royalty fee, latest selling prices, and going into a collection, the rarity and sale prices of individual tokens at a single glance. BRAITSNIPERs are a treasure of knowledge once mastered. Number 6. Rarity Sniffer. Another tool that some collectors choose to use to compare the rarity of tokens is Rarity Sniffer. The tool, like other platforms, allow you to examine the characteristics of an individual NFT to determine what makes it valuable. Rarity Sniffer's sleek design and simple user interface make identifying scarcity a breeze. To stay updated, the website has an upcoming area as well as a membership plan for rapid updates of newly disclosed collections. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic. Number 5. Icy.tools. One of the most popular trend spotting programs is Icy.tools. The trending collections feature shows users which projects have received the most attention in the last day. You can also drill down into the specifics and see what's ranking in the last 15 minutes if you have a connected wallet. Floor prices and volumes, the most active wallets, and the typical comparison of individual token rarities are all included in this data. Because of the premium perks, some users favor Icy.tools over alternatives. These include more thorough information on collections, price charts, and a more comprehensive perspective of an NFT's history. Number 4. HOWRARE.IS. While the majority of the tools on this list are related to Ethereum, the NFT scene is expanding rapidly on other blockchains that have cheaper fees and better transaction speeds. Solana is one such blockchain that is seeing a significant flood of NFT initiatives. HOWRARE.IS is quickly becoming the go-to platform for Solana NFT traders, collectors, and investors to track projects, compare token rarity, and identify forthcoming drops. To compare projects and give crucial information on specific NFTs, the site employs a no-fuzz table structure with readily sorted categories. The website is also a wonderful location to learn about upcoming collections by using the Upcoming Drops function at the top of the website's homepage. Number 3. NFT Drops Calendar. NFT Drops Calendar is unquestionably one of the most significant tools on this list, and it is a must-have for collectors who are working on many projects at the same time. Historically, one of the most difficult aspects of the NFT market has been determining what is dropping, and when NFT Drops Calendar fortunately handles all of the legwork for you. This application not only allows you to view the most recent forthcoming drops, but if you enable notifications, it will also tell you immediately about unexpected occurrences like giveaways and specials. The user interface is simple to use, allowing you to sort and sift as you see appropriate, with the most widely used filters being price and minting date. The tool is also necessary for creators. With so many people using the website to locate forthcoming releases, getting your project listed here is a simple way to find early adopters and establish a community before the launch. Number 2. Upcoming NFT. Upcoming NFT is another tool for finding out what's dropping and when. This program notifies you of project drops and auctions, as well as giveaways, whitelisting, and other events. The option to sort by popularity is one of upcoming NFT's useful features. With the success or failure of most NFT projects based on whether or not people like it, this vital sign is a priceless piece of information. This is one of the fastest sources for real-time analysis because it is based on data gathered from a live stream of blockchain minting information. Creators can also list their projects here in order to obtain awareness and attract consumers. Simply click the large Submit Project button at the top of the page. Paid advertisements can also be used to increase project visibility, bringing your idea in front of interested prospective investors. And at number 1, MetaMask. MetaMask is a browser extension that functions as an ethereal wallet. Once installed, it becomes a repository for Ether and other ERC20 tokens, which are required to make transactions to an ethereal address, including the marketplace. MetaMask's main selling point is that it works on practically every marketplace, allowing you to build a profile as an artist or a collector in just 2 clicks. It also lets you buy Ether using your bank card and send and receive currencies from many sites. One thing is certain, MetaMask is one of the most popular digital wallets among artists and collectors alike. This is due to how simple it is to set up, save on your browser, and do rapid transactions and conversions. One piece of advice that goes directly to individuals who wish to gather NFTs is that MetaMask may instantly convert your Ether into WF, which is required to make a bid or offer. Despite the skeptics, the NFT space is thriving, with fascinating new projects being launched on a daily basis. So far in 2022, monthly trading volumes from platforms like OpenSea have blown out the sea, with millions of NFTs sold each month. The number of users is also continuously expanding, with active users already exceeding 1 million. NFT collectors, investors, and creators can acquire important insights into market trends, project statistics, and stay up to date with the correct tools. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Have you used any of these tools already? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you on the next video.